Hello and welcome to Quantum IS. In this video, we are going to see the detail about what you can say the year-long test series. Year-long test series for CSE 21. Okay. So what are the basic highlights of this course and what we are providing in this test series? I will mention here. Okay. So it will consist of total 26 tests. Okay, in which 26 tests, 16 sectional and 10 full length test will be held. Okay, and out of these, uh, around what I can say 10 tests before prelims and 16 tests after prelims. Okay, now these tests are conducted in two phases. Okay, so first phase, that consists of 10 tests, that is before prelims. In this we will have 8 sectional and 2 full length tests. Okay, and these are at the interval of 15 days. Okay, now what is the main agenda here? So these tests are meant so as to complete coverage of syllabus using test. Now what I mean to say here, that if you are taking coaching some in other institute, or you are taking any online classes, any other, or you are studying on your own, or you're doing the self study. Okay, the main thing is that, or if you have done a very good study in your BSc or MSc or your engineering, or you are quite comfortable with the all of the concept that are associated with the physics optional here. Now you need to only practice the things, right? So these first phase will help you to what, complete coverage of syllabus using the test. So what I will do, let's suppose one section, whatever the module is there, I will try to cover all these questions in that. Okay, so this phase will focus on the complete coverage of syllabus rather than the, what you can say, what is important or what is not important. Okay, so first phase mean to for the completion of syllabus. Now the second phase, okay, after prelims, it will have 16 tests, right? And the main aim of this, to give you an perfect idea about the examination, right? So whatever the trend and the what you can say, the pattern of the examination, on that the second phase will be begin. It doesn't mean that it will not conducted in the same manner, it will be conducted in the same manner, but the focus in the first phase will be in the completion of syllabus, but in the second phase will more devote our question or time on the important areas, right? That's are most likely to ask in the examination. So these are the test schedule, right? So first point is that we are providing the 26 test. Now second point is elaborate discussion of test, right? So we will do a comprehensive discussion of test and the key concept associated with each question, right, in the live and interactive session. So using our app and website, you will be able to join live and you can interact with me in real time. Okay, and you can also ask your doubt regarding your test also. So in any question, if you feel any doubt, you can just raise your hand there and ask the doubt in real time. Okay, the next one is that copy evaluation. right? So the copy will be evaluated within 15 days, and it will be strictly evaluated by faculty only, right? No student or nothing will be involved here. Okay, so it will be evaluated and given to you. Okay, now what I want to tell you one more thing, that we will be providing revision classes and notes, right? So basically these are the study materials. So we will provide 8 class plus 8 study material. Now let me brief about these things. So what we will cover in the 8 classes, so one class for each section. So in this class we will discuss some of the most important concepts, derivations and numerical problems, right, that are most likely to be asked in the examination, or that are what you can say the that are most repetitive in nature, right? They what they ask every year. And the study material will be comprises of this only. Whatever I will teach here, it will be in the printed format. Moreover, in the study material you will get short notes, okay, derivations, important derivations and formulae, right? So you will have one thing that you will be able to revise before your examination. Okay, now flexible schedule, right? Flexible schedule, but there is a constant that you have to complete phase 1 before phase 2, right? So what I mean, that if it is your pre, so whatever test planned before pre, you need to complete it before pre, and whatever the test will come after the pre, you have to complete before the mains, right? So it's not the case that the you are giving the test that are written in the phase 1 in the phase 2 time. Okay, so that will not be evaluated. Try to mark this point, right? It is flexible but not for the whole year. Okay, so you have to complete the phase 1 test before the prelims only. Okay, then only it will be evaluated. Also what I trying to say, that you will be having test, let's suppose test 1 will be there, so you are getting enough time for the discussion. So when I upload test 2, right, on that day only I will discuss test 1. Okay, got it? For example, first test is on 3rd January, right? So the next is on 17th January, right? So on 17th January I will upload test number 2 and discuss the test number 1. So you are getting 15 days time, right, to what you can say to upload your answer sheet. Okay, so just do it before for the ideal marks. Okay, also whosoever are going to upload within 5 days, I will try to what you can say I will try to upload their evaluated copies before the second test. Okay, so please do keep this in your mind. You have to complete the test within 5 days, then it will be running in a what you can say a ideal phase. Okay, next one is the mentorship, right? If you are having any doubt regarding the test or you want to discuss your copy, so mentorship regarding the evaluated copy. Okay, so it can be 1-to-1 interaction for the discussion of your evaluated copy. So these are what you can say are mentioned or you can included in the test. Now how to approach this test? Okay, so the first test is on 3rd January and it start with mechanics. Okay, and the next test is on 17th January, right? So I am giving 15 days time for each module. So it's a pretty good time. So in this, you can revise and give the test. Also, you can download the schedule from website, right? So I'm just summarizing this. So in this, you are getting 8 classes, right? Plus 26 tests, plus 8 study materials, right? Plus mentorship session, okay? And this all for year long, okay? Now, how to join this course, okay? So for the more information, you can visit to quantumis.com, right? And there you can click on the, what you can say, the year long test series. You will get to know all of the things. Also, you can call on 8527891847, right? You can call on this number, you can WhatsApp on this number, you can Telegram on this number, right? Also, to join, you have to send your name, your mobile number, your email ID, right? And the course, right? So for this, you have to write year-long test series, right? Send this information on this number, okay? So when you send this number, what we will do, we will create your login credential in your app, and you will be able to join the course and start accessing the course, okay? So if you have any doubt or anything to ask, you can just contact on this number, or you can mail also at quantumisofficial@gmail.com, right? So if you are accessing using the mail, or if you are accessing using the Telegram, then I will be personally available for your query, right? If you do the calling or WhatsApp, someone else will pick up the call, and you can chat with them. But if you're doing the Telegram on this number, or if you are sending something via mail, I will be answering all of the queries, okay? So thank you and have a nice day.